branded na brand new. Nawala yung nakiro nito. Oo, dinilit eh.
Back 2026-03, procurement of various information and communications technology equipment. So, for the information of everyone, naka-live stream po tayo as required by law. So, let's be careful sa comments natin. For this bid opening, we invited as observers Auditor Diana G. Oldan, the auditing leader, Office of the Auditor, CPA Field Office, represented by Ms. Jamila De La Cruz. Thank you for coming, Ms. De La Cruz. We also invited Mr. Virgilio G. Manguera, President and Chairman, Transparency International, and also Mr. Ruben J. Pascual, Secretary General, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. It appears that the latter two does not have any representatives in this bid opening. Okay. So we would like to acknowledge also the presence of Gina Riosa of Peer Copy Corporation, Ricky Bitug of Machine and Computer World Inc., and Mr. Alex Villarreal, Joneco Tech Marketing Corporation. I also have with me, for the record, the official receipts for the bidding documents paid by Machine and Computer World Inc. One for 17,750, and also by Joneco Tech Marketing Corporation. 7 zero ba yan? 17,700. Okay. So sa kay Machine World, 17,700. Kay Joneco, also for Lot A, 17,700. So we have two submissions for Lot A. And then also we have Machine and Computer World Inc. for 500 pesos. Please indicate na lang the number sa ating minutes. And also we have a receipt in the name of Field Copy Corporation for 1,800 for Lot B. Okay, so we are going to open the bid submitted by the bidders in accordance with Section 52. Section 52 and Section Section 54. This is for submission, bidding for goods and services. Okay, so and also Section 58, bid opening. The BAC shall open the bids immediately after the deadline for the submission and receipt of bids. So the deadline was at 10 a.m. today, no? And for LCRB tayo, di ba? the bank shall open the technical and financial proposals on the same day. So, same day natin bubuksan yung technical component and financial component. And as you have witnessed, you traveled with the box, no? So, do you confirm the integrity of the bidding documents? Mr. Joneco?
Yes, sir.
Si machine copy, machine world? Do you confirm the integrity of the bid submissions? And Ms. Phil Copy Corporation? Yes? Sabay-sabay kayo tatlo. Kasya kayo sa elevator. Sabay. Okay. So, thank you for confirming na there is nothing irregular in the transmission, no, in the transport of the bids. Okay, so for today's bid opening, we will comply with section 59, preliminary examination of bids. There will still be detailed bid evaluation after today, no? So, preliminary examination of bids consists of checking kung sinubmit nyo ba yung document na required. Now, whether the document is correct or not, hindi masyadong mag-ano tayo ngayon doon, mag-dwell, no? Hindi natin, no? But so long as the document is present, you will be rated pass. Okay, so back members, okay? Ganun tayo ah. So, first, technical component muna. And all those who pass, doon lang natin i-open yung second envelope, which is the financial component. So, ang ano nga natin is pass-fail criterion. So, I am instructing the TWG to state whether passed or failed
Aye.
as soon as you have opened the bids. And of course, kung yung bid nyo is in excess of the ABC, wala. Hindi na talaga kasali. Okay, so are there any questions from the bidders? Meron ba? Wala. So, we only have one bidder for lot B. So, will it be okay for you, the bidders, no, to if we open lot B? Kasi isa lang siya. And also, nauna naman talaga siya. Nandito siya ng 8:47. Sinabmit niya yung bid niya. Okay, so we proceed with opening lot B. Pwede na?
Yes po.
Okay. Mayroon ba akong nakalimutan?
Wala. Later po yung sa financial. Line item checking po tayo.
Ah.
Correct. Good morning. We are now showing the bid envelope from Phil Copy Corporation for the bid project on hand for Lot B. Duly received by the Back Secretariat today, April 8, 2026 at 8:47 a.m. Inside the mother envelope are the financial and the technical component. We will separate the financial component. and open the technical component envelope. There's two envelope, one original and one copy. We'll now turn over the copy file or envelope to the back secretary. We'll start with the technical component envelope, Class A document, legal document, starting with letter A, valid and updated PhilJobs registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages in accordance with section 52.1 of the IRR. Page 1, page 2, and page 3. The document is present, Mr. Chair, thus pass.
Okay, pass. Number 2, letter B. Stupid.
Moving to the technical documents, letter B, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in the nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. Showing you the statement of all ongoing and awarded but not yet started contracts of the PhilCopy Corporation, signed by Ms. Gina T. Rios on April 8, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. For the record, the bidder also attached documents such as notice of award, notice to proceed, contracts, agreements as supporting documents to their statement of prospective bidders of all ongoing contracts. Mr. Chair. Pass po.
Okay, proceed.
Proceeding with letter C, statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract or SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid except under conditions provided for section 52.4.1.3 of the IRR of RA number 12009 within the relevant period as provided in the bidding documents. Here is the statement of SLCC submitted by PhilCopy Corporation, signed by Ms. Gina T. Riosa on April 8, 2026. The project submitted is with the Court of Tax Appeals in 2024. Sorry, in 2022. Document is present, Mr. Chair. That's pass.
Okay.
Moving with letter D, original copy of bid security, if in the form of a surety bond, submit also certification issued by the Insurance Commission or original notarized bid securing declaration. PhilCopy Corporation submitted a bid securing declaration signed by Ms. Gina T. Riosa on March 25, 2026. duly notarized by Attorney Ariel Labra on March 25, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Passport.
Okay.
We are now moving to letter E. First in the list is the conformity with schedule of requirements, particularly with Annex A revised schedule of requirements of bid bulletin number BAC 2026-03-BB01. The bidder submitted as shown in the screen. Annex A revised schedule of requirements for bid bulletin number 2026-03-BB01, signed by Ms. Gina T. Riosa on April 8, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll move to item number 2, conformity with the technical specifications, particularly Annex B revised technical specifications of the same bid bulletin, supported by evidence in the form of manufacturer sales literature and conditional statements of specifications and compliance, samples, test data, etc., which may include production, delivery schedule, manpower requirements, and/or after-sales parts, if applicable. Showing you the technical specifications submitted by Ms. Gina T. Riosa, April 8, 2026, using the revised bid form per bid bulletin number BAC 2026-03 BB01, signed by Ms. Gina T. Riosa on April 8, 2026. Attached with the text specs of item 1 is a brochure, and also for item 2, the text specs was conformed by signed by Ms. Gina T. Riosa on April 8, 2026, using the revised form in the bid bulletin, together with brochure, warranty after sales certification, and other supporting documents. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll proceed with letter F, original duly signed omnibus sworn statement or OSS, together with, if applicable, original notarized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and do acts to represent the bidder. Showing you the omnibus sworn statement submitted by Ms. Gina T. Riosa, signed on March 25, 2026, to join the procurement of various ICT equipment, CTA bid project number CTA BAC 2026-03. Notarized by Attorney Ariel Labra on March 25, 2026. Attached is a secretary certificate signed by Attorney in fact Genevieve HC on March 25, 2026, also duly notarized by Attorney Ariel Labra on the same day. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll now move to the financial documents. Letter G, the prospective bidder's computation of net financial contracting capacity, or NFCC, or a committed line of credit from a universal or commercial bank in lieu of its NFCC computation. Annex C revised NFCC computation form per bid bulletin number BAC 2026-03-BB01. Mr. Chair, presenting to you the revised form for the NFCC computation used by PhilCopy Corporation, signed by Ms. Gina T. Riosa of Philcopy Corporation on April 8, 2026. They used the form per bid bulletin mentioned earlier. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. For the Class B documents, if applicable, duly signed joint venture agreement or JVA in case the joint venture is already in existence, or duly notarized statements from all the potential joint venture partners stating that they will enter into and abide by the provisions of the JVA in the instance that the bid is successful. There's a paper here indicating that JVA is not applicable, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
And also a certification signed by Ms. Gina T. Riosa on April 8, saying that Philcopy Corporation is not a joint venture corporation, and it is not applicable as well. Mr. Chair.
Okay.
They also attached the whole bid bulletin. All the technical component envelope po, requirements were
So,
being
okay.
passed.
They pass, so we can open the second. Meron ba tayong problem when we open now the second envelope? Kasi isa lang naman siya. Okay? Okay with you? So, Ms. Riosa, we will open your second envelope, no? Because you're the only one bidding for Lot B. Diba? Joneco, you did not bid for Lot B. And Machine World,
Sir.
you did not bid for Lot B. Right? Okay. So, Philcopy. So, we open the financial component.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Showing you the financial component envelope, sealed and signed po from Philcopy Corporation. Inside the mother envelope of the financial component are the original and copy one. I'll turn over the copy to the back sec. And we'll now open the original bid form. We will start with the first component of the financial envelope, original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form. Showing you the financial bid form submitted by Ms. Gina T. Riosa on April 8, 2026. The offer is 1,868,280 pesos. In words, in figures, 1,868,280 pesos. For the information of the back members, the Lot B total subtotal ABC is 1,873,000 pesos. The offer from the Philcopy Corporation is within the ABC subtotal.
Okay, so pass.
Pass, Mr. Chair.
Price schedule.
We'll now proceed to the price schedule of second item in the financial component. The price schedule is signed by Ms. Gina T. Riosa of the Philcopy Corporation. Here po. For line item 1, the line item ABC for monochrome printers, item 1 under Lot B is 1,580,500 pesos. As shown here, their offer is 1,580,280 pesos, which is within the ABC of that line item. We'll proceed with line item number 2, colored printers or color printers. Our line item ABC is 292,500 pesos and the offer is 288,000 pesos, which is also within our ABC, Mr. Chair. The document is present. Pass.
Pass.
We'll now proceed to other documentary requirements under RA number 12009 as applicable. It seems that the Philcopy Corporation did not submit any other documents for claiming certification as a domestic bidder, neither certification from relevant government office of their country stating that Filipinos are allowed to participate in the government procurement activities for the same item product by reason of their country's extension of reciprocal rights to Filipinos, Mr. Chair.
Hindi naman siya foreign bidder.
Hindi naman. Mukha naman po Pilipino sila. Wala rin po.
Yung claiming
Both
preference,
po.
domestic preference.
Yes.
So, kino-confirm mo na you're not claiming domestic preference and also hindi ka foreign corporation. Okay. Okay, we're done with lot B. No? So we will proceed sa lot B with the detailed bid evaluation. No? So I would like to remind everyone that we are going to observe Section 61 of the IRR. Lahat yun, i-comply natin yun. So, 61.1 thereof states, members of the BAC, its staff and personnel, secretariat, and TWG, as well as observers, are prohibited from making or accepting any communication with any bidder regarding the evaluation of their bids until the issuance of the notice of award. However, the BAC, through its secretariat, may ask the bidder in writing for clarification of its bid. All responses to requests for clarification shall be in writing. Kung may questions kami, we can communicate with you through our BAC secretariat. And your response should be in writing, no? Okay, so we will conduct the detailed bid evaluation for the procurement of goods under Section 61 within 7 days from today. Okay, so until then, you are not supposed to call, no, the court, no, the BAC, even the secretary. Okay, so we're done with lot B. It is up to you whether you want to stay or not, or you can go if you have some other place to be, huh? Oh, sige. Thank you.
Maraming
Thank
salamat
you.
po.
Sige.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you for participating. Okay, so we will proceed with lot A. Lot A, ano? The first submission was received from Machine and Computer World Inc. at 9:47 a.m. So we will first open the lot A of Machine and Computer World Inc.
We sending to you the mother envelope submission for lot A from Machine and Computer World Incorporated. Sir, can you verify po if it's in order? Okay, salamat po. Inside the mother envelope are the original and copy one. We turn over the copy one to the back secretary. We'll now open the original envelope. Well, it's open already. Inside the original envelope are the original eligibility and technical documents and original financial documents. We'll now separate the financial document here. And we'll now open the technical envelope. To start with the Class A documents, legal documents, valid and updated PhilJobs registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages in accordance with Section 52.1 of the IRR. Here's the first page, second page, and third page of the PhilJobs registration of the Machine and Computer World Incorporated. Present, Mr. Chair, pass.
Okay.
We'll now move to the technical document starting with letter B, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any. Here is the statement of all ongoing contracts, including awarded but not yet started government and private contracts, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. There's a signature on the lower right by Ms. Floriza Palasige. The same in the second second page, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026, and there are certain attachments to the statement. Present, Mr. Chair, pass. We'll now move to the statement of the bidders SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid, except under conditions provided in the IRR. Showing you the SLCC of Machine and Computer World Incorporated, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026, with the province of Batangas. Together with the statement is a notice of award and a notice to proceed, as well as a purchase order. Present, Mr. Chair, pass. We'll now proceed with item D, original copy of bid security. If in the form of surety bond, submit also certification issued by the Insurance Commission or original notarized bid securing declaration. Machine and Computer World Incorporated submitted a bid securing declaration for Lot A, as specified in the title of the document, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on March 31, 2026, duly notarized by Attorney Concepcion Villarreña on April 1, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll now move to the conformity with the schedule of requirements. Item I, Annex A, revised schedule of requirements per bid bulletin number BAC 2026-03 dash BB01. Here is the Annex A revised schedule of requirements signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026 per bid bulletin number BAC 2026-03 BB01. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll proceed with item number 2, conformity with the technical specifications, Annex B revised text specs per bid bulletin. Here's the bid bulletin submitted by the Machine and Computer World Incorporated. We'll just check if there's. It seems that they attach the whole bid bulletin here. Yeah. Number one is Annex B revised technical specifications for item one branded and brand new desktop computers. First page. And in the second page, it is signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026. For item number two, using also the same revised text specs, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026. For item three, also signed by Ms. Floiza Palasige on April 6, 2026 for bid bulletin revised technical specifications form. Item 4, branded and brand new laptop computers. Also signed by Ms. Floiza Palasige on April 6, 2026 for all items 1 to 4. All present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll now move to the original duly signed OSS together with, if applicable, original notarized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original SPA of all members of the joint venture. Showing you the omnibus sworn statement by Ms. Floriza Palasige. For Lot A, procurement of branded and brand new desktop computers, laptop computers, and monitor. Signed on March 31, 2026 and duly notarized by Attorney Concepcion Villarreal, together with Secretary Certificate, signed by their Corporate Secretary, Attorney Timoteo Hernandez, and duly notarized also by Attorney Villarreal on April 1, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass po. We'll now move to the financial documents under technical component. The prospective bidder's computation of NFCC or committed line of credit from a universal bank or commercial bank. Presenting you the NFCC, which is compliant with the bid bulletin revised NFCC form, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026 for Lot A. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass po.
NFCC.
For the JVA, for Class B documents under technical component, there's a document showing that it is not applicable for the Machine and Computer World Incorporated, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Above. Okay, so we are done with the technical component for Machine World, Machine and Computer World Inc. We open Jonecos submission. Lot A, Joneco, technical component.
Sir from Janeco Tech Marketing Corporation, please confirm lang po that this is your submission and it's in order. We'll now open your mother envelope. Here is the copy one in the original. We'll turn over the copy one to the back secretariat. Here is the original. We'll now open original envelope. Inside the original envelope is the original copy of the technical component and the financial component. We'll put here the financial component envelope. We'll start with the Class A documents, legal document, valid and completed PhilJet registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages of the Janeco Tech Marketing Corporation. Here is the first page, second page, third page. Present, Mr. Chair, pass.
For letter A.
Yeah. We'll move to the technical documents, letter B, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any. Showing you the statement from the Janeco Tech Marketing Corporation, signed by Mr. Alex Villarreal on April 6, 2026. Together with supporting documents, Mr. Chair. Present, pass.
Letter C.
SLCs.
SLCs.
Sorry, let me correct po. The one shown earlier is their SLCC. Will move it. I will return to it. Go back to it later. Again, the statement of all ongoing government and private contracts. Here is the list po. Page 1, page 2, page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, signed by Mr. Alex Villarreal on April 6, 2026 with various supporting documents. That's for the statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts. We'll move back to
SLCC.
the SLCC po. Sorry for the confusion. The submitted SLCC by Mr. Alex J. Villarreal of the Janeco Tech Marketing Corporation is with the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, or PAGCOR, for the supply and delivery of desktop computer sets for donations. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll move to the original copy of bid security, if in the form of surety bond. Submit also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission or original notarized bid securing declaration. Here is the bid securing declaration submitted by the Janeco Tech Marketing Corporation. Page 1 and page 2 signed by Mr. Alex J. Villarreal on April 6, 2026, duly notarized by Attorney Brian Pecas on April 7, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll now move to the conformity with the schedule of requirements per Annex A revised schedule of requirements of bid bulletin number back 2026-03 BB01. Geneco Tech Marketing Corp submitted the Annex B revised tech schedule. Submitted the Annex A revised schedule of requirements with comply for Lot A, item 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Signed by Mr. Alex J. Villarreal on April 7, 2026 using the bid bulletin number back 2026-03 BB01 form. Present, Mr. Chair. We'll now move to item 2 of letter E, conformity with the technical specifications per the Annex B revised technical specifications under bid bulletin number back 2026-03 BB01. Here is the Annex A, Annex B revised technical specifications for item 1, branded and brand new desktop computers with the word comply, signed by Mr. Alex Villarreal on April 7, 2026. For item number 2, using also the same bid bulletin form in the bid bulletin, signed also by Mr. Villarreal on April 7, 2026. For item number 3, also signed on April 7, 2026. And item 4, signed also by Mr. Villarreal on April 7, 2026. With the attached product brochures and certificates. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll now move to the original duly signed Omnibus Sworn Statement or OSS. Presenting to you the original Omnibus Sworn Statement submitted by Mr. Alex J. Villarreal for the procurement of various information communications technology ICT equipment, CTA bid project number 20, CTA back 2026-03 Lot A. Signed by Mr. Alex J. Villarreal on April 7, 2026 and duly notarized by Attorney Brian Pecas on April 7, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll now move to the, together with the Secretary Certificate. Here is the Secretary Certificate signed by their Corporate Secretary, Attorney Eileen Tamodra on April 7, 2026. Mr. Alex Villarreal is one of the duly authorized representative. Duly notarized by Attorney Brian Pecas. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll now move to financial documents under the technical component, letter G. Prospective bidders' computation of net financial contracting capacity or committed line of credit. The bidder submitted an NFCC computation using the revised form per our bid bulletin, signed by Mr. Villarreal on April 7, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. For the Class B documents, letter H, if applicable for JVA. letter E. There's a document signed by Mr. J. Villarreal that joint venture agreement is not applicable, Mr. Chair. The Genecotech Marketing Corporation also attached the whole bid bulletin po in their submission.
So,
Are we going to open or the financial component first or the submission of Machine World?
The technical working group po suggests to open first the financial component for lot A, since for lot C po there's only one bidder.
Okay, any objections? None? Okay, so we open the financial component for Machine World and Machine and Computer World Inc. Tama?
Sir. Sir, kindly confirm that this is your envelope and that it is sealed. Sir. Okay po. Here is the bid form of the Machine and Computer World Incorporated. For lot A, the total bid offer is 16,589,910 pesos in words, and in figures 16,589,910 pesos. The bid form is signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026. We'll now proceed with the original of duly signed and accomplished price schedule. For line item 1 under lot A desktop computer, the line item ABC is 15,378,322 pesos and 50 centavos, and the offer for lot A item number 1 is 14,625,600 pesos, which is within the line item 1 under lot A ABC. We'll proceed with line item number 2, monitor with ARM, with line item ABC of 110,000 pesos. The offer is 74,250 pesos, which is within the line item ABC. For line item number 3, laptop computer A, the ABC for that line item is 738,600 pesos, and the offer from the bidder is 735,000 pesos, again within the line item ABC. And for the line item 4, laptop computers B, the line item ABC is 1,525,837 pesos and 50 centavos, and the offer from the Machine and Computer World Inc. is 1,155,060 centavos, also within the line item ABC, for a total of 16,589,910 pesos within the ABC for the subtotal of lot A of 17,752,760 pesos. Mr. Chair. Pass po.
Passes.
There's no other attachments po on the financial component, meaning to say that they are not claiming reciprocal rights for Filipinos and claiming preference as a domestic bidder, Mr. Chair.
okay.
Do you confirm you're not asking for domestic preference and that you are not a foreign bidder? Yes? Wala bang mic dyan?
Sir, baka di ka tayo.
Baka di po kayo nakikita may harap.
May harang. Baka di ka tayo.
Okay. For Machine World, Machine and Computer World Inc., do you confirm that you are not a foreign bidder and that you are not claiming certification? You are not claiming domestic preference.
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. Yes to both. Okay. We open Junecos.
Here is the financial component of the Juneco Tech Marketing Corporation, sir. Please verify that it is not open nor there are any irregularities from your submission. We'll now open it up. We'll now start with the original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form from Juneco Tech Marketing Corporation. The duly signed and accomplished financial bid form for procurement of various ICT equipment with identification number bid project CTA BAC 2026-03 for Lot A. The bid offer is 17,052,650 pesos only in words and figures. 17,052,650 pesos. Signed by Mr. Alex Villarreal on April 7, 2026, together with a SecCert signed by their corporate secretary, Attorney Eileen Tamodra, and duly notarized by Attorney Brian Pecas on April 7, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Pass. We'll now move to the original of duly signed and accomplished price schedule. Here's the price schedule, also signed by Mr. Alex Villarreal. No date indicated. For Lot A, Item 1, desktop computers, our line item ABC is 15,378,322.50 pesos. The offer from Juneco Tech Marketing Corp for line item 1 is 15,334,000 pesos, which is within the ABC of the line item. For item number 2, monitor with ARM, or ABC is 110,000 pesos. The offer is 80,850 pesos, which is within the ABC of line item number 2. For line item number 3, laptop computers A, our ABC is 738,600 pesos, and the offer from Juneco Tech Marketing Corp is 727,000 pesos, also within the line item ABC. And for item number 4, laptop computers B, the ABC is 1,525,837 pesos and 50 centavos, and the offer is 910,800 pesos for line item number 4, also within the ABC, for a total amount of 17,052,650 pesos within the ABC of the line item of the Lot A, subtotal 70,752,760 pesos. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass.
Okay.
For the other certifications claiming as domestic bidder po, preference as domestic bidder, not applicable.
foreign bidder?
There's no document showing that they are foreign bidder.
Si Juneco, you're confirming that you are not a foreign bidder? Local corporation? Not applicable. Okay, so we opened both your envelopes now. We will proceed with the detailed bid evaluation of the bids submitted. Please bear in mind, wala pang winner, no? Na dinedeclare dito. We will proceed with the detailed bid evaluation and will comply with all the provisions of section 61. As I have said earlier, members of the BAC, its staff and personnel, secretariat and TWG, as well as observers, are prohibited from making or accepting any communication with any bidder regarding the evaluation of their bids until the issuance of the notice of award. However, the BAC, through its secretariat, may ask the bidder in writing for clarification of its bid. All responses to requests for clarification shall be in writing. So please bear that in mind. And also, like I said earlier, the bid evaluation is supposed to be for 7 days. Thereafter, we will recommend the post qualification of the lowest calculated bid. Okay. So do you have questions? None. BAC members, do you have any comments? So considering that it is only Machine and Computer World who submitted a bid in Lot C. Mr. Villarreal, so would you like to stay or would you like to go? To go. O sige. To go na rin yung ano mo.
Food mo.
Okay. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Okay, we proceed with Lot C. C. Anong oras? Alas 12 na lang. Alas 12 na, magugutom na siya.
Yes.
Ubus na po yung snacks niyo.
Sugar.
Pakialis na nga yung ano para makita tayo na yan.
Ayan po. We'll remove the beat box so sir will be able to clearly see us. And we'll start with
Si ano, Ricky.
Ricky, Sir
Oo.
Ricky. Here is the submission from Machine and Computer World Incorporated for Lot C. To be received by the BAC Secretariat today at 9:47 a.m. Inside the mother envelope are the original and the copy. We'll now open the original envelope. The original envelope and the financial document are both here. We'll now separate the financial envelope and open the original technical envelope. We'll start with the Class A document, legal document, valid and updated PhilJobs registration certificate, platinum membership, showing you the page 1, page 2, and page 3. Present, Mr. Chair, pass. Moving to the technical documents, letter B, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. Showing you the statement of the contracts po, page 1. And in the second page, it was signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026, together with some supporting documents. Present, Mr. Chair, pass. We'll now move to
the statement of the bidder's SLCC similar to the contract to be bid, except under conditions provided for in the IRR. Showing you the SLCC of the Machine and Computer World Inc. signed by Ms. Floriza Palasigue on April 6, 2026 with the city government of Navotas for the supplies and ICT equipment for the use of schools division office. Together with the notice of award, notice to proceed, and PO po. Present, Mr. Chair, pass. We'll now move to the original copy of bid security in the form of surety bond. Submit also certification issued by the Insurance Commission or original notarized bid securing declaration. The bidder submitted bid secure. Hinahanap ko pa, nasa harap na pala. The bidder submitted bid securing declaration for Lot C, procurement of branded and brand new scanners and that matrix printers of the procurement project. Signed by Ms. Floriza Palasigue on March 31, 2026, duly notarized by Attorney Concepcion Villareña on April 1, 2026. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass.
Notarized.
Duly notarized.
Notarized.
Yes. We'll now move to the conformity with the schedule of requirements per Annex A revised schedule bid per bid bulletin number BAC 2026-03-BB01.
Secretary certificate, meron din.
Po.
Secretary certificate.
Sa bid securing declaration po, there's no
Wala.
Apo, there's no secretary certificate. Showing you the Annex A revised schedule of requirements with signature of Ms. Floriza Palasigue on April 6, 2026, using the form per bid bulletin mentioned earlier. Present, Mr. Chair, pass. We'll now move to item 2, conformity with technical specifications per Annex B of the revised technical specifications per bid bulletin number BAC 2026-03-BB0. Showing you the Lot C, item 1, with comply, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasigue on April 6, 2026, using the revised form. Item number 2, with comply, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasigue on April 6, 2026. And item number 3, with comply also, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasigue on April 6, 2026, using the bid bulletin revised form. Also, the whole bid bulletin was attached to their submission, together with brochure and certificate of dealership and other supporting documents. All present, Mr. Chair, pass. There's also a manpower requirement, production delivery schedule, and after sales service parts. Warren. We'll now move to the original duly signed omnibus sworn statement. showing you the omnibus sworn statement of Ms. Floriza Palasige for the bid project CTA back 2026-03 of the CTA for Lot C. Signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on March 31, 2026, duly notarized by Attorney Concepcion Villarreña on April 1, 2026, together with the Secretary's certificate signed by their Corporate Secretary Attorney Timoteo Hernandez on April 1, 2026, authorizing Ms. Floriza Palasige as their authorized representative, duly notarized on April 1, 2026 by Attorney Concepcion Villarreña with authority of signator. Present, Mr. Chair. Pass. We'll now move to financial document under the technical component, the prospective bidder's computation of NFCC or a committed line of credit. The bidder submitted an NFCC computation using the revised financial contracting capacity form or computation form, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026, and it is in order, Mr. Chair. Present, pass. For the Class B document, there's a document signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige indicating that JVA is not applicable, Mr. Chair. Present, pass.
Open the financial component
Yes.
envelope.
Here is the financial component envelope, signed and sealed. We'll now open it. Starting po with the original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form from the Machine and Computer World Inc. with a total bid offer of 240,700 pesos, which is within the line, the subtotal ABC for Lot C amounting to 374,240. Signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige on April 6, 2026. We'll now proceed to the original of duly signed and accomplished price schedule. Showing you the price schedule po from the Machine and Computer World Incorporated for Lot C, line item 1, which is the flatbed scanners with line item ABC of 101,440 pesos. The offer is 101,200 pesos, which is within the line item ABC. For line item number 2 under Lot C, overhead book scanner amounting to 70,000 pesos. The offer is 69,500 pesos, also within the line item ABC. For line item number 3, dot matrix printers, the line item ABC is 202,800 pesos. And the offer is 70,000 pesos, also within the line item ABC. Again, showing you the summary of bid prices for Lot A, Lot B, and Lot C with a total amount of 240,700 pesos within the line item subtotals. Within the subtotal, Lot ABC, 374,240 pesos, signed by Ms. Floriza Palasige of the Machine and Computer World Incorporated. All within the ABC po, Mr. Chair. Pass. It seems that there are no other documentary requirements po attached in their submission of financial component envelope, claiming by reason of their country's extension of reciprocal rights to Filipinos, as well as claiming preference as a domestic bidder or domestic entity, Mr. Chair.
So, okay.
Do you confirm po that you're not claiming for reciprocal rights po and domestic bidder po? Maraming salamat.
Okay, so not applicable.
Not applicable po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, like in the previous lot A, no? We're reminding you na do not call us, no? Until there is already a notice of award. So you should not communicate with anyone here, no? But the back can can ask clarificatory questions to you in writing, and also you must respond in writing. And the bid evaluation will be conducted strictly in accordance with section 61. Okay? Do you have anything to say? Wala na? Pag wala na, we can call it a day. No? Back members, meron? Secretariat, reminders? Meron ba?
Wala na po.
Wala na. So, okay. So, thank you for submitting your bid. And we will proceed with the detailed bid evaluation. Okay, so
May other matters lang po.
meron ka ba niya?
Opo, mabilis.